Haven't noticed anything that popped out to me that's bad yet. Except for my... Hey guys, on this episode we are going to take some of the parts from the old door, like the latch, maybe the door handle, probably flip it over, just start taking the innards out, and maybe try to put them on the new door. Don't know how long it's going to take, and we're going to come back over here and start getting the dash cleaned off. May even come up here and start cleaning this off. There's a bunch of rust through here. Other than that, probably won't do much. Like I said, I had a long weekend. We went away to the lake, came back, found out half my fence was down. Luckily, the little miniature horse we have, Teddy, he didn't escape, but neighbor's cows keep breaking my fence, so I'm gonna have to address that at some point. I want to do a pipe fence with cow panel inserts welded in, but kind of expensive, so we'll have to see. So I'm not really too energetic tonight, so we'll start by, like I said, flipping over, getting everything out of the inside that we need. Probably put the latch on that new door and either the inside or outside handle just to open and shut it. And then we'll start sanding that dash down. Later than that, it was unseasonably warm today. I think it got up to 70 degrees. And I think by Wednesday or Thursday, it's supposed to be in single digits and snow. So we'll get as much as we can in the first 3 days. We may kind of slack off later in the week. But with that being said, let's jump into this door here and get busy. All right, well, we got the latch mechanism out. It works, but I don't know. I have to put it back in there. So I went ahead and made it close, and then I couldn't open it with the door handle, the inside door handle. There's a lot of flex right there too. So I may put the outside handle on it not sure. But as far as I'm going with this tonight, took me longer than I thought to get that out, but we got it out, and we got the, you can really tell the glass sitting over in the chair, and a couple of the window tracks. But I think right now, we're gonna kind of start going over the dash, getting it down to bare metal right quick. I got just a little bit more time out here. All right, we got almost half the dash done tonight, which is pretty good. Haven't noticed anything that popped out to me that's bad yet, except for my piece I welded in. But I think I'll have to get this out, and we can keep going. Then we'll throw a coat of paint on it and call it good. I'm gonna try to get in here as best I can. Don't know if I can get down in there or not. Next time, I'll figure that out. The door needs to go this way a little bit so the latch will actually work. So that means I'll probably put the latch on, latch it in the back, and then adjust the door pillar where it needs to be, front and back, up and down to what that sets at. So I'm thinking that should be right, should be the right height and everything. So hopefully we get that done next time, and we can start maybe putting stuff together. And we'll continue on with the dash, get that all nice and clean, and then if we get that done, we may move in here and start cleaning all this up. We need to clean our welds up too. Might need to re-weld a little bit of the seam in there. Anyways, yeah, starting to come along. Well, that's all I got for you today. We'll continue on next time with the dash and the door. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.